Welcome back to Pink Grade. Today, we begin solving equations. Our first focus is addition. Let us walk through it together. When an equation adds something to the variable, we undo it by subtracting. When a number is added to the variable, we solve by doing the opposite. We subtract that number to bring balance and to discover the truth of what the variable really is. For example, let us say a variable plus 2 equals 10. To get the variable all by itself, we apply our inverse operation trick. We subtract 2 from both sides. Positive 2 and negative 2 cancel each other out, leaving the variable all by itself. On the other side, 10 minus 2 equals 8. Now we can see that the variable equals 8, and the equation is solved. Another example, a variable plus 7 equals 15. What do? We subtract 7 from both sides. Positive 7 and negative 7 cancel each other out, leaving the variable alone. On the right side, 15 minus 7 equals 8. Once again, the variable equals 8. Getting interesting? Then check this out. A variable plus 5 equals 20. We take away 5 from both sides. Positive 5 and negative 5 cancel each other out, leaving the variable alone. And 20 minus 5 equals 15. Therefore, the variable stands for the number 15. Here's another one. A variable plus 9 equals 18. We subtract 9 from both sides. Positive 9 and negative 9 cancel out, leaving the variable all by itself. On the right side, 18 minus 9 equals 9. And so, the variable equals 9. But here's something that can trick you. What if the variable does not come first? Sometimes the equation begins like this. 6 equals a variable plus 2. That might feel backward, but it is not. The equal sign is like a mirror. Both sides are still equal, so we solve it the same way. We subtract 2 from both sides. 6 minus 2 equals 4. On the right side, positive 2 and negative 2 cancel out, leaving the variable by itself. And clearly, the variable equals 4. Direction does not matter. Balance does. Let's recap. Let us review. When something is added to a variable, we undo it with subtraction. We do the same thing to both sides until the variable stands alone. This is the power of solving one calm, steady step at a time. You have learned how to solve addition equations. Next up, how to solve subtraction equations. Subscribe to Pink Grade for more math learning, and keep going.